Hello guys, my name is Ravi and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you total 5 websites where we can create a high quality do follow directory submission backlink. So the first website name is directory3.org. So this is a website URL. So before the delay, we can start. So first thing, you can click on the submit link button, and there you will see there is a title. So you can put your title, and there you can add your description, and there you can add your website URL, so which URL you wanting to create a directory backlink, and you can add their description. And after that, there you can add your company name, your email address, then you guys will choose your category, employment. Then after that, you can verify the captcha, click on the continue button, and you will see captcha was completed successfully, so your link is submitted on this website. So after that, what you guys have to do, so you can click on the latest link button, and you'll see your directory submission backlink is approved now. This is an instant approved backlink, and you can click on the link details button, and you will see this is your directory backlink. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is a 100% do follow backlink with your targeted title. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. Okay, so now we created on the first website. So the second website name is alive directory.com. So you can see there is a add URL button. You can click on this, and there you can follow the same process what we did previously. So you can copy the your title. So let me remove this content. So there you can put your directory title, there you can put your website URL, there you can add your description. So this is the description, and there you can add your company name, your email address, and then you guys will choose your category. And after that, you can verify the captcha and acknowledge the terms and condition. Click on the continue button, and you will see your link is submitted. After that, you can click on the latest link button, and you will see this is your backlink, a Java AI video interview software. Click on the link details button, and this is your landing page URL. So the next website name is addgoodsites.com. So click on the add site button. There you can add your directory title. Whenever you guys are creating your directory backlink, so you can consider your home page, your category page, your product page, product master product page. So this is a best practice to you can drive across traffic and the crawlability over your website. There you can add a description, you can add a website URL, there you can add your brand name, choose your Gmail, then you guys will select your category, and then you can verify the captcha. Click on the continue button, and you see link is submitted. After, you can click on the latest site button, and you will see the backlink is approved. Click on the smart hiring, click on the details for JobMa, and this is your landing page URL. All the backlinks can provide a do flow backlink, so we do not gonna waste time to inspect each URL to this is a do follow or no follow. So you can see this is a do follow backlink. So the next website name is smartseolink.org. So click on the add site button. There you can add your directory title, URL, then you guys will add your description here, and then your brand name, your email address, category, you can select your category. Then you can verify the captcha, click on the continue button, and you see link is submitted. Click on the latest site button, and you will see link is approved now. Click on the link details button, and this is your landing page URL. So the last website name is linkman.org. So click on the add site button. There you can add your all details like your a title. So this is the title. There you can put your website URL and then your description, then your brand name, select your email address, select your category, then verify the captcha, click on the continue button and you see link is submitted. Click on the latest link button and this is the approved backlink, a Jobma AI video interview software for smart hiring. Click on the link details button and this is your landing page URL. So overall, this is the overall these are the process for the backlinking on these websites. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there, you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So, okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.